Hi everyone, we're here at Double Eagle, the House of the Goats in Mesilla, New Mexico. With my friend Alvaro here.
Hello.
My associate in the Epic News channel. We're about to eat a Mexican plate right here. And hey, we can show a couple of things, right? What do you say? Just before eating, you know, so it doesn't cold up or nothing like that. But look at this, this is a fountain. This house, let me tell you the story a little bit. It's a place in which a very rich family lived, like a century and a half ago or something like that. We have some references to Billy the Kid because this is a town of Billy the Kid, Mesilla, and it has actually rooms that have been remained actually authentic. So nothing here has been changed, only remodeled, like the fountain right there, like this room. Everything is authentic, and it's really ghostly if you think about this kind of pictures. Well, the story goes as follows. A family lived here. Probably, or I will be one of the richest, if not the richest family of the Southwest. And they brought a maid. The son of the family, the first son, fell in love with the maid, the help. The mother got mad, and she thought it was outrageous. And out of rage, one night, for dinner, she poisoned the maid. The maid died. And guess what? The guy, the son, went mad. The mother could not handle to see her son going mad, so she killed herself. And eventually, he went mad. He got to be interned in an infirmary, eventually in a hospital, and yes, he also died. So it is said that in this place, they have ghosts. Actually, once I took a picture, and there's something, a kind of shadow, that looks a little bit strange here. But, so don't be afraid or crazy if you see a ghost in this recording. It might happen, which will be fun. It's up to each person to believe or not. And the portraits are actually those of the family members in some cases, which is amazing. These are the main rooms of the place. We have also Octavian here, Roman Emperor. Look at this, that's Mesilla on the outside, Billy the King town. And well, just a short video for Epic News, showing you a majestic place here. And of course, for you guys to enjoy, we're gonna get more of that at Epic News. Look at that. I'm betting that the whole family will be coming around if truly they had the chance to come around here right now. They will be thinking that this is now a lot of fun. ¿Qué estás comiendo, Alvarito?
¿Ah?
Plato mexicano.
Plato
¿verdad?
mexicano, sí.
Espectacular.
Muy bueno. Bien
Acá
completito.
en Double Eagle, ¿verdad?
Sí, Double Eagle.
Bueno, para Epic News,
Aquí con los fantasmas.
con los fantasmas y los muchachos con cara de fantasma, Marcelo y Álvaro.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Chao, chao.